I think we don't have enough like personal finance education. Like I'm not a personal finance expert, but whenever I learn something, I'm like, I didn't know this. So imagine how many people didn't know this. And that's so when I talk about entrepreneurship, personal finance, and tech, that's the idea I have. Even with my tech content, I started with, okay, guys, I'm in my final year of computer science. This is what my experience has been. And people are like, okay, here are more questions. And I'm like, oh, okay, now I got my first job. This is how I did that. Now I've been working for 2 years. So I have a yearly video, like 1 year as a software developer, 2 years as a software. And it's just like, okay, this is how the second year was. And people just, I think it's just, putting out that information. And I really enjoy that. So yeah, even like now, I just like when there's something I want to share, and I'm like, oh, okay, I tried this, or these are the projects I've built. There's one that was doing really well recently that I uploaded or sharing some of, and people actually want to see more into the projects. I'm actually really excited to go into that. And now, the channel's evolving, it's growing. Maybe we'll build a project together on the channel. I'm like telling the
Yeah.
people, I'm like, okay, maybe let's start a series, let's build something like it can be our thing. So I'm really enjoying it, and especially how it can actually evolve. So I've been there for 10 years, but it hasn't looked the same over the 10 years. Yeah.
You're constantly improving,
Yeah.
constantly getting better.
Thank you.
Yeah. And also with regards to content, we are living in the attention economy these days.